Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's makeup look is this makeup look. It's like bronzy eye with like orangey red tone lipstick. I really like it, and I use all of them. Like all the products are Maybelline product today. And yes, you guys know I have quite a few collections. At least like I use every video Maybelline at least one product, and I love them. I love Maybelline collections, and I just thought I will make a video for one brand, Maybelline, all Maybelline product. And they're very affordable, and not all, like their product is good and affordable. Everybody can afford it, and you can achieve any like a high-end look with those products. So, and today I use this cream to powder eyeshadow. This I really like it. It's very easy to use and it's very blendable. Only thing is like it's not that very metallic, but still it turned out really good. So hopefully you guys will like it. If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So if you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. So for primer, I'm using this baby skin instant pore eraser. This is, I actually have a little bit left. I cut it. So now I'm just gonna grab it with my finger, and I'm gonna put that just onto my T-zone area. If you guys never tried this primer, you should try it. It's one of the best primer in Drugstore, and your skin looks like a smooth, like a baby skin. Then foundation I'm using today, this one is Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This one is 220, and I'm just gonna get it like a 2 pump. This is like a full coverage, very thick foundation, and I'm just gonna get this wet beauty sponge. This foundation is very full coverage, and it's like a comparable with Huda Beauty foundation, but I never tried it, but I seen people are comparing with the Huda Beauty foundation. If you guys try Huda Beauty, you guys can try this one as well. This one is only I think $13 or $14, and Huda Beauty I believe is like a $52. So there is a price difference, so you guys can. And for concealer and contour, I'm going to use this Age Rewind eraser. This one is light, and for contour I'm using this Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation, stick foundation. This one is coconut. For blending my cream contour, I'm using this Flawless concealer brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And for concealer, I'm going to use my sponge. So set my contour, I'm using this contour shade. This one is like a face, it's like a face trio. It has a blush, contour, and highlighter. And for blush, I'm using the same from the same palette, this color. So for highlighter, I'm using this two. This one is rose gold, and this one is yellow gold. And for my eyebrow, I'm using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pomade. This one is brunette medium brown. I already have an eyebrow a little bit, but I'm just gonna touch up with it. So for the eye today, I'm gonna do very simple eye look because I thought I'm gonna get a new eyeshadow palette from Maybelline and I didn't like any of them. But I like this eyeshadow, which is cream to powder eyeshadow. This is, I think, new and I never tried it. I just thought I'm gonna try it today. This one is a really metallic color. The color is really metallic. I'm excited to use this. So first I'm gonna start with my just bronzer. So this one is my Maybelline City bronzer and I'm just gonna put that on my crease. I get my pencil brush, using the same brush, same bronzer. I'm gonna put that on my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna use this cream to powder eyeshadow, and this one is like a spongy kind of comes with this applicator. I'm gonna put that on my, ooh, it's pretty. Like you guys can see it. It's like a pretty, it's not that metallic. It's like very like a muted. It's not that. I thought it's gonna be really nice bronzy eyeshadow. It's not every time I'm putting in and to get more, and I feel like there's nothing coming off. Now I'm gonna go back my blending brush, nothing on it. I'm just gonna blend the edges. For lashes, I'm gonna curl my lash. And then I'm gonna put mascara. This one is the Sky High, Maybelline Sky High mascara. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use this highlighter. This one is the Melted Gold. Bronzer with this angled brush, and I'm gonna try to put that lower lash line. So for the lashes, I'm using this lashes. I'm just gonna go back and use the eyeshadow again, just to touch up more eyeshadow on my eyelid. I feel like I blended it out. I'm gonna put that on my lower lashes as well. So for my lips today, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. This color is 320. I feel like this is very summery and spring color, and it's gonna complement with my bronzy eye. So look at this, it's really vibrant color. I wish this is this colors. So finish up my makeup look, I'm using this Lasting Fix setting spray from Maybelline. And this is my completed look. I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.